Here's how you could record screen with no app. Scroll down to your control panel. Then scroll down again. Now if you see inbuilt screen recorder, simply tap on it in order to record screen, or else tap on the pencil icon. Then tap on edit. So from here you can see available buttons. You would be able to find screen recorder options. Then once you tap on it, just select on done. In latest phone models, screen recorders are set inbuilt, so you can easily record with no other third-party apps. So, to record from inbuilt screen recorder, scroll down to your control panel. Scroll down again and tap on screen recorder. Now you can choose any of these options with media or media and mic, and even turn on the toggle for show taps and touches. Then select start recording. You can skip countdown and easily record screen on your mobile device. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.